In the fervor of the early 19th century, the spirit of revolution ignited the heart of Latin America. The people, long oppressed by the yoke of Spanish rule, were ready to break free and claim their independence. The fires of rebellion first sparked in Hispaniola, the island that cradled the birth of the New World. Here, in the year of 1804, Haiti, under the leadership of Toussaint Louverture and Jean-Jacques Dessalines, cast off the chains of colonialism, becoming the first independent Black republic in the world. Southward, in Spanish America, the flames of revolution were fanned by the winds of change. Simon Bolivar, a charismatic leader from Venezuela, stood at the forefront of this revolution, rallying the disenchanted masses with his call for freedom and self-determination. In neighboring Colombia, a young military officer named Antonio Nariño, inspired by the ideals of the French Revolution, led a rebellion against Spanish rule. His courageous actions set the stage for the eventual independence of Colombia, Ecuador, and Venezuela. Meanwhile, in Central America, the cry for liberty resonated in the streets of Mexico City, where Miguel Hidalgo y Costilla, a Catholic priest, ignited the insurrection with his famous Grito de Dolores, Cry of Dolores, on September 16, 1810. Simultaneously, the people of Chile, under the leadership of Bernardo O'Higgins, rose against Spanish tyranny. The Chilean War of Independence, though long and arduous, ultimately led to the liberation of this vast and beautiful nation. In the southernmost tip of Latin America, Argentina, under the guidance of José de San Martín, waged a relentless campaign to free their homeland from Spanish rule. San Martín's strategic genius, coupled with the unwavering determination of the Argentine people, culminated in the historic Battle of San Lorenzo, a decisive victory that paved the way for Argentina's independence. The Latin American revolutions of 1821 were not just a struggle for freedom, but a testament to the indomitable spirit of a people who refused to be silenced any longer. These revolutions marked the beginning of a new era, ushering in a period of independence, self-governance, and the birth of numerous independent nations. The echoes of the roar of liberty continue to reverberate across Latin America, reminding us of the indelible mark left by those who dared to dream of a better future, and the countless lives that were forever changed by their unwavering courage.